Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to transform a frozen pizza into a gourmet recipe. So I'm going to be using a frozen pizza that I had laying around in my freezer, and I'm going to take this to the next level by adding some fresh ingredients from my fridge. So this is a great recipe to make when you don't have a lot of time and you're trying to get ready to do a final or write up an essay. Either way, this is a great time-saving recipe. So without further ado, let's get right into the recipe. Our main ingredient is, of course, a frozen pizza. I am using Amy's roasted vegetable pizza with no cheese. We're also going to need some arugula, shiitake mushrooms, vegan mozzarella, and red onion. I am using what I think goes well with this kind of pizza, which already has some ingredients in it, but you can use whatever frozen pizza you already have in your freezer, like a pepperoni or a cheese. I love adding a ton of veggies, but if you like to add a bunch of cheese instead, please be my guest. You can also add bell pepper, spinach, olives, leftover sausage or bacon. The possibilities are endless. So once I am done adding all of my ingredients to my pizza, I am going to place it in my mini oven. I am using my mini oven because it'll bake faster, and let's be honest here, you would not want to wait any longer to eat this pizza either. Okay, so now we're gonna take out the pizza from the oven. These are my only intentions. Wow. These are my legit reaction, guys. I am really excited. So here's a clip of me doing a horrible job cutting this pizza in half. In the end, it does not truly matter how I cut it because I am eating the whole thing anyway. It looks amazing, it smells amazing. So there it is, guys, the final gourmet pizza. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like it down below and subscribe to our channel for more fresh recipes. Also, let us know in the comment section below how you upgrade your frozen meals when you're in a hurry.